Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. It's time for another mini release over in the Whimsy Stamps shop, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the new diagonal dots embossing folder. The folder itself measures 3 3/4 by 8 3/4, and the actual embossed image measures 3.5 by 8.5. I think it's a really fun pattern, and this is what it looks like. I pressed a pink ink pad on the inside of the folder just so you could see the fun dot pattern it creates once it's run through your embossing machine or die cutting machine, whatever you use. And I do have a couple of samples to share with you. For my first sample, I used it on a Christmas card, and I also used the fun Slimline tapered layers die. And I combined that with the magical winter stamp set and then the Merry Word die and the Christmas word die. For my second sample, I wanted to do something a little bit different just to show the versatility of this particular embossing folder. For this card, I pressed some dark blue ink onto the embossing folder so that I could have it smush into a slightly lighter blue cardstock. And then I gussied it up with the Beaucoup Bouquet stamp set, and that's it. That finishes up this reveal video. For more information about the embossing folder as well as the other products that I used, I'll have that listed in the description box below for you. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. We'd love to have you follow us over on Instagram and join our Facebook group. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.